Good morning, guys. I am Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today, we will be discussing about the currency and the motif of the currency and respective details of Indian currency. We knew that we have the currency notes, on that there is a logo and everything. We'll just go through what exactly the currency notes we have and the details of it. If we say the color, we have to identify a respective note and denominal, whatever the value we have, and the denomination numeral in latent image as well as a numeral in Devanagari script. And we have the Mahatma Gandhi's portrait orientation change, and we have the note is tilted. Here you can see how exactly Reserve Bank of India emblem and the governor's signature, again the portrait of Mahatma Gandhi and electro type watermark we can see on it, number panel with numerals growing from small to big on top left and bottom right side. On the bottom right, denomination numerals with rupee symbols in color changing ink from green to right. As you can see how exactly the pink, that is a pink color of 2000 rupee notes. Here on the bottom right, denomination numerals with rupee symbols on color changing ink from green to right. Ashoka pillar we can see, and we have here 500 in raised print on the right with circle. So overall every logo has been given. So we have to remember the signature, the total number of languages we have been given on it, and what exactly it is given. Please remember, initially if we start with the rupees 1, so here we have the color is of pink green, and this is the only note on which finance secretary is signed. Rest other notes are signed by the Reserve Bank of India governor. Please remember who signs over the 1 rupee note, that is finance secretary. When it comes to the motive, we have the oil rig, Bombay oil rig. We are aware that you can see how exactly the oil rig looks like. When it comes to the next note, that is 5 rupees note, please remember, I want you guys to comment me in the comment section what is the color of the 5 rupee Indian note. On this we have the motif, that is tractor. Please remember, you may be asked what is the motif on the 5 rupee note. You have to write that is tractor. When it comes to the 10 rupee note, here the color is chocolate brown. So you can see how exactly it looks like, that is color like chocolate brown, and the motif is Sun Temple Konark. In Konark we have this type of wheel over there, that Sun Temple will find on it. So total number of languages we have on the note, that is 15. You can count if you want. This is one thing you have to remember, whatever the script is written, that is Devanagari, and here you can see everything has been written in 15 languages, 20 rupees like that. So this is one thing you have to remember. So all details of it has been written, and the color of this 20 rupees note is greenish yellowish. So this is what exactly how the features of 20 rupees note. The motif is Ellora caves. So these are located in Aurangabad district of Maharashtra, built by the Rashtrakuta king. So these are the Ajanta and Ellora caves are located in Aurangabad. And we have the 50 rupee note, that is the color is fluorescent blue. So you can see to the right side what exactly the motif on it we have, Hampi with the chariot. So this is located in Hampi in the Vitala complex temple. In that this Hampi chariot is located, and it is located in Karnataka. So you can see here how exactly the fluorescent blue of 50 rupees note. When it comes to the 100 rupees note, this is what exactly you have to remember. Here the color is lavender. So this is one unique color of all the notes. So that is lavender is one of the best what we can see here. So whatever the motif we have, that is Rani Ki Vav, which is located in Gujarat on the river Saraswati. And here we have this Rani Ki Vav through World Heritage Site. It has been recognized in 2014. So this is what exactly the 100 rupee note looks like. When it comes to the 200 rupees note, we can see the front and back how exactly it looks like. So the color of it is bright yellow, and we have the motif is Sanchi Stupa, which is built by the Ashoka. It has 4 entrances all around as east, west, north, south. So the entrance of the Sanchi Stupa is 4, and this located in Madhya Pradesh, was built by the King Ashoka. When it comes to the 500 rupees note, this is the next note what we have here. In this 500 rupees note, the color of this 500 rupees note looks like stone grey, and the motif of the currency note is, that is, Red Fort, New Delhi, and the architect we should remember, Lauria. So he is the Muhammad Lauria, who is also the architect of Taj Mahal. And we should remember the Taj Mahal as well as Red Fort was built by whom? That is Shah Jahan, who is also known as Khurram Khan. So this is what exactly the motif of 500 rupees note. Here we can see to the right side, which is the color is magenta. I want you guys to comment. The magenta color will be formed by mixing of 2 colors. I want you guys to comment me what are those basic 2 colors. Upon mixing, this magenta can be seen. You will find in the printer this magenta color. And the motif what we have on 2000 is, that is Mangalyaan. It's an orbiter. So you will find this Mangalyaan on 2000 rupee note. The color is pink or magenta. So here you can see Swachh Bharat. That is spectacles of Mahatma Gandhi. In that it is given as Swachh Bharat, and rest all 15 different languages. It is written as 500 rupees, and it is signed by Reserve Bank of India and Mahatma Gandhi. Motif also there, so you can directly have a look how exactly it looks like. If I zoom it, here I can see what has been written. I promise to pay the bearer the sum of 500 rupees. So it is what exactly the statement is given. I promise to pay the bearer the sum of 500 rupees. This is what the quotation has been given. When it comes to few details of currency notes, if we revise them, the color has been given 20 rupees greenish yellow, which is released on 26th of April 2019, and we have 100 rupees note 2018 has been color lavender, 10 rupees chocolate brown, 50 rupees fluorescent blue, 200 bright yellow, 500 stone grey, and we have the 2000 that is magenta or pink, you can kill. So here the details of currency, what exactly the motive we have on the reverse side. 5 rupees tractor, 10 rupees Sun Temple Konark, 20 Ellora Caves, 50 Koner, that is Hampi Chariot, and we have 100 Rani Ka Vav, and 200 Sanchi Stupa, 500 Red Fort, and 2000 Mangalyaan. This is what exactly you have to remember, guys. You may be asked among this one question in exams. Don't underestimate. Whatever the competitive exams you have, you can directly prepare for further examinations. You will be asked one question. Thank you, guys. Have a good day. Have a great life.